Hi everyone, learn how to quickly replace a Fluidmaster toilet fill valve with another Fluidmaster fill valve. Disclaimer, what comes next does not follow Fluidmaster's installation instructions, so proceed at your own risk. Here we go. Mark the tank water level. Turn off the water supply valve. Remove the refill tube. If you don't want to get your hands wet, flush the toilet. Note the height of the old fill valve. This one is just about even with the top of the tank wall. You can also use a tape measure. Please note that the top of the Fluidmaster fill valve should be at least 3 inches taller than the top of the overflow pipe. Reach behind the fill valve and lift the lock ring. Firmly grasp the fill valve head and give it a good tug to remove the top half of the fill valve. With a small flat blade screwdriver, remove the O-ring from the old black fill tube. Separate the new fill valve, remove the new O-ring, and install it on the old fill tube. Verify that the O-ring is properly seated in the groove. I'm replacing this Fluidmaster 400AH model with the 400A model. To learn why, click on the link at the end of this video. Set the new float adjustment screw the same as the old float adjustment screw. Install the top half of the new fill valve onto the old black fill tube. Set the height of the new fill valve to the height of the old fill valve. Slide the lock ring down to lock the fill tube in place. Lift the float and verify that no moving parts interfere with the handle lever or tank walls. Reinstall the refill tube. Turn on the water supply valve. Allow the tank to refill with water. If the water level stops above or below the water level mark, use the adjustment screw to adjust the height of the water level. Clockwise to raise the water level and counterclockwise to lower the water level. That's it, all done. Here's another video that explains why I prefer the Fluidmaster 400A fill valve.